Hey there everyone, it's Liesl for Money Done Right, and today I'm here to talk to you about trading website / app Webull, which thankfully brings trading into the 21st century as it's commission-free and offers technical analysis, educational courses, and a robust trading platform. Woo! That's a lot of cool features. Want to sign up right now and follow along? Click our super handy dandy link below. And as a bonus for signing up through Money Done Right, you'll get 2 completely free stocks as thanks. One when you open your brokerage account, and another when you deposit $100 or more. This gives you an immediate return on investment before you even start trading. You know what I like to say, cha-ching. So let's find out more about Webull. In the past, investors had to visit or call a stockbroker to place a trade. Today, thankfully, much of the market's trading is done online. Unlike other free competitors such as Robinhood, Webull is geared towards intermediate and advanced traders. That's not to say novice traders can't learn how to use Webull, but anyone who uses it should be comfortable with in-depth technical analysis. The Webull app allows you to trade at your own pace, and due to the virtual format, brokerages can run with less overhead, removing the need for commissions. Webull was founded in 2016, and the headquarters are right on Wall Street in New York City. They're registered with the SEC as a broker-dealer, and their extended SIPC coverage gives you protection for up to $500,000 or $250,000 for cash claims. Webull users are also protected by an additional policy from the Apex Clearance Corp, which covers the platform for up to $150 million total. Although this is limited to $37.5 million for individual investors and only $900,000 per user in cash. So how does Webull work? Well, you can manage your account from either a computer or the iOS or Android mobile app. You won't be charged for commissions, fees, or your initial deposit, and there's no minimum balance unless you're trading on margin. The entire service runs online, so you can trade within business hours or during pre-market or after hours. Since Webull is completely free to use, you can try it out before making a commitment. Remember, sign up today using our link below, and you'll get completely free stocks. So let's talk about Webull pros and cons. First, the pros. Free trading is obviously right there at the top, but Webull also provides tools that match or even exceed those of some paid platforms. Number 1, market data. Webull gives you access to real-time market information along with analyst ratings and the full financial calendar. You'll also be able to view any upcoming IPOs and other events. Basic market data is free for every Webull user, and if you want, you can pay for additional insights. Number 2, technical indicators. Webull provides more than most other online investing platforms. Now, if you're new to trading, there may be a learning curve, but experienced investors will find them incredibly valuable. Number 3, real-time data on more than 25,000 stocks across more than 90 regions. You can also track roughly 3,000 commodities, 1,000 currency pairs, and 100,000 funds, although real-time data for those last 3 is not currently available. Number 4, customization. You can set up automatic stock alerts via email or text for any stock, and Webull makes it easy to configure them based on your preferences. Number 5, margin trading. Webull offers low-cost margin trading with no monthly fee and financing rates as low as 3.99%. While you won't be able to margin trade bonds, mutual funds, or other investment options, you can use these features in a wide range of stocks. Their margin trading tool allows you to invest with more than the balance in your account, potentially leading to larger gains or larger losses. Users can margin short sales for up to 4 times their account balance on same-day trades, or twice the balance if the trade is held overnight. Webull does require you to maintain a minimum balance of $2,000 to access margin trading, and the 3.99% rate is only available for users with account balances over $3 million. For example, if you're trading less than $25,000, you'll pay 6.99% in interest, and rates continue to decrease as you invest more money. Margin trading is worth it only if you can beat the interest rate with your return. Users with at least $25,000 in their account can also access unlimited day trading. Number 6, education. Want to learn more about investing? Who doesn't? Webull has your back. They offer tons of educational materials that will help you build your knowledge base. If you're interested in day trading, for example, there's a course to help you get started. Number 7, trading simulator. One of Webull's most unique and valuable features is its robust trading simulator. This gives you the ability to run a trading account without investing any money. You can use a simulated account to experiment with new strategies without taking on any risk. Simulation tools are especially hard to find with a free brokerage, so jump on that ASAP. Remember our handy dandy money done right link? Check it, eager investors. So now let's chat Webull cons. Number 1, limited customer support. Aside from a help center database and an email address, there's no option to call an actual representative. Although that's a negative when compared to the white glove service that you can get from more traditional brokers like Schwab or Fidelity, it is par for the course with younger free platforms. However, we found answers to all of our questions in the help center. Number 2, narrower investing options. The Webull app allows you to trade most stocks, but it offers a smaller range of choices compared to some alternatives. Say mutual funds, for example, are one of the most popular investment options, but they aren't supported. You also won't find bonds or penny stocks. However, Webull does offer support for a growing range of investments. You'll soon be able to invest in Canadian stocks, futures, cryptocurrencies, commodities, options, and more, though Webull currently isn't available in Canada. Today, you can access it in the US and UK, although Webull doesn't specify which other countries it supports. Number 3, regulatory fees. Although Webull itself doesn't charge regular fees, you'll still need to pay a fraction to regulatory agencies. Number 4, less flexibility. Webull has both a website and a mobile app, but you're required to trade on the app. Doing so is relatively simple, but the navigation is a bit confusing and it's tough to manage an entire investment account on a mobile device. You'll probably end up switching between the website and the app for different functions, which may make it less convenient. Number 5, no expert portfolios. Webull doesn't provide the option to invest in pre-made portfolios developed by experts, which help you diversify and minimize risk without having to do all the research yourself. If you're an experienced investor, this probably won't be an issue, but if you're new, take this into consideration. Number 6, tricky to use. If you're new, it may be tricky to figure out how to effectively use Webull's vast array of features and information. The app's design, though sleek and modern, can also be confusing. And once you download it, you'll probably need to take some time to understand all of its features. So, in conclusion, Webull is an extremely popular free trading app, and its wide range of features makes it perfect for more experienced investors, although newbies might find it confusing. In addition, casual users may prefer to use an online broker that sticks to more basic functionalities. Webull does have an amazing in-depth educational tool base that will help you learn quickly if you're willing to put in the time. Our advice? Sign up for a few different sites to see which service you are most comfortable with. You can register for Webull without depositing any money, so there's no risk involved. You can also transfer your balance from another brokerage account to Webull if and when you decide to switch. Remember to sign up using the link below so you'll get 2 completely free stocks as thanks. If you're interested in investing, start trading now so you can earn gains as soon as possible. You can begin with $100 or less, and as long as you continue to make contributions, your portfolio should generate significant returns over time. So that's our Money Done Right Webull review. But before I go, have you tried Webull? Or do you have any questions for us? Oh, if so, let us know in the comments section below. We want to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Done Right right here on YouTube, so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video that will help you save and earn money. Thanks for watching. Now go grab the Webull by its horns. Grab the...